The Nashville housing market is seeing some impacts of rising mortgage rates, but it's nothing compared to the rest of the country. Nashville is unique and has compensating factors that experts believe will help us avoid a downturn. In this Nashville 2022 report, the latest RE/MAX housing report shows both inventory and prices are up. Greater Nashville area home prices are still rising. RE/MAX says they're up nearly 25% over last year. The median home sale price is now $467,450, growing about $16,000 in just 1 month. Surely, with rising rates, we're nearing the end of this upward and fast-moving trajectory, right?
And primarily the last few weeks.
Jeff Checco, Director of Relocation at RE/MAX Advantage, weighs in.
Given that the majority of these rate increases took place in the last 60 days, and primarily the last few weeks, we won't see that until next month's data or maybe even the month after.
At that point, Checco says we'll see less in-market moves, but values should hold.
I really think that our values, while we'll see a kind of a, I don't want to say a screeching halt, but a stop to this rampant appreciation, I don't think we're going to be looking at people that are upside down, so to speak, and having a lot of non-performing assets with bank-owned properties or anything, because people in our market are still going to have opportunities and options.
Transactions are up 1.3% over last year. Nationally, home sales are down 8.5%, according to RE/MAX. Those out-of-town cash buyers and California companies continue to anchor our market. However, with the rising mortgage rates, we are seeing some changes. Active housing inventory is up 45% over last year.
We are seeing sellers getting, I think, more anxious and realistic about losing the window of opportunity to sell.
While many hopeful buyers feel they've lost their opportunity to buy something they love.
And when you talk about the cost of ownership going up 30% in terms of what debt service costs, so a $500,000 home, in December would literally cost $600 a month less to service than it does right now.
And that's a big chunk of change.
You're going to see buyers go from this bracket down to the bracket below. But does that mean those buyers are not going to buy at all? I don't think so.
So though Checco expects the market to hold steady, there will be some impacts. For example, I'm told new construction builders are seeing some people canceling contracts because payments are now just out of their range. Alex?